Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Welcome to the lathe machine of Mechanical Engineering Department, Polytechnic Seberang Perai.
In this workshop, students will learn how to use several types of machine in producing various projects such as lathe machine, grind machine, and cutting machine. Students will also learn measuring skill using the following measuring tools. This time, I will show you how to sharpen the tool bit using a grinding machine. This tool bit will be installed on the lathe machine for the cutting process.
Safety. Workshop safety is everyone's responsibility. The following rules have been put in place to ensure the safety of all students and lecturers. Please read the safety rules carefully before entering the workshop. To ensure personal safety, students must adhere to the dress code in the workshop. For a lady, long hair should be tied back to keep it safely out of danger. For Muslim students, the hijab must be tucked into the safety jacket. Remove rings and loose jewelry before operating the machine.
For the engineering workshop course, students are required to grind tool bit from high-speed steel using they get the desired tool point shape. A single point tool bit consists of flank, face, cutting edge, nose, rectangle, clearance angle, and cutting edge angle. All these parts control the cutting condition, tool life, and cutting speed of tool. Then, students need to know and understand the angle that need to be on a tool bit. The main angle are top or back rake angle, side rake angle, clearance angle. Back rake is the surface through which the chips on the tool flow. Side rake, along with back rake, controls the chips flow and partly counteract the resistance of the work to the movement of the cutter and can be optimized to suit the material being cut. Clearance angle or end relief angle is the angle which avoids tool wear. It avoids the rubbing of flank with workpiece, while side relief angle avoids rubbing of side flank with workpiece. In order to grind the tool bit, students need to hold the tool bit with this method. We will grind the tool bit until it gets a diamond shape if seen from the front view. We place this tool eyes in front of the grinding wheel to grind the front surface of the tool eyes. Use a coolant if the tool bit become hot during the grinding process. This is to get the front clearance angle. The estimate angle of inclination is 8 to 15 degree. Note that the angle are not too inclined and not too straight. At this point, the diamond tip is visible and we will grind the right side of the tool bit. Then we will lay the tool horizontally to get the side rake angle. Notice the groove formed on the right side. Side rake angle gives space to scroll when cutting workpiece during lathe process. Then, change the direction of the tool bit to get the clearance angle. Basically, the clearance angle is provided to avoid rubbing of the tool flank with the machine surface, which causes loss of energy and damage of both the tool and the job surface. Usually, it's around 10 to 15 degrees.
Checking tool bit. Frequent errors when grinding tool bits. Pay attention to the tool. First, wrong technique. Second, irregular shape. Third, too inclined. Fourth, uneven surface. Fifth, narrow cutting tip. Sixth, negative angle. Try to observe and make comparisons on each point of the tool. We need to make sure the tool tip and rake angle are formed accurately so that the tool eye can cut the workpiece smoothly. Toolbit and lathe machine. First, we need to place the workpiece to the chuck. Loosen the chuck and insert the workpiece. Then lock the chuck key. The next step is to insert the tool bit into holder. The ground tool will be mounted on the tool eye pole. Loosen the bolts. Place the tool bit pointing into the machine. Make sure there is an excess of the tool eye of 1 inch from the tool eye holder. This is to avoid collision between the tool eye holder and the workpiece. This is how to setting the tool bit on the machine. Tight the key one by one until the tool bit not moving. After that, loose the bolt and place closely the tool bit to the dead center. Adjust until the tool bit eye has the same level with the dead center. Now we can start the machining process. This is a facing process. The tool bit need to be set around 30 degrees incline. Move the carriage forward and adjust the cross-like wheel. The next process is parallel turning. The tool bit is set parallel to the workpiece. Move the carriage forward and adjust the cross-like wheel.
We hope all of you can understand how to grind Toolbit and basic machining. That's all for now. Thank you and have a good day.